Gerard Orina, the Chief Principal, Riokindo High School. As you are aware, the results for the KCSE for the year 2025 was released today by our Cabinet Secretary, the Honorable Julius Ogamba. Since morning we have been downloading results, and it looks like the system is very slow compared to the system that we had last year. But all in all, we have been able to download and account for every student. And we want to take this opportunity, because I can see a very impressive result. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Riokindo fraternity, Riokindo students, the teachers, the stakeholders, and even the school community for the support that they have given this school that has enabled us to post this good result. I also want to congratulate the candidates of the year 2025 for performing exemplary well in these examinations, whose results have been released today. So far, I want to give you the tabulation of the grades. We were able to get one A plain, 74 A minus, 188 B plus, 300 Bs, 161 B minus, C plus 32, C plain 4, and C minus 1. We managed a mean of 9.1235, which is an improvement of the from the previous mean of the year 2024 of 9.099. So there is a slight improvement, and we are really very happy. We are very happy for these results, we are happy for the improvement, and we are happy for